Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag Holiday Coloring 2024, hosted by Sabrina _crafty journeys channel. So, what I did is I printed some freebies, and I got like November, because also I'll share something with you before I forget. I've been putting my sheets in a binder, so I also did Hello October to start off the month. And then I just been putting them in sleeves. So I did this one, Hello November, to start off the first sleeve. And then I did this one. Trying to get the fallish colors. And I did this one where it's kind of getting chilly a little bit. And then I did this one with colored pencils. And those are my first week of November. So now what I'll do is I'll put Hello November. Oh, yeah. Okay. Right here. And I'll just slip them in the book covers, sleeves. I know I printed more to do more in November. I just don't know where I put them in my craft room at the moment. Yeah. So there we go. So there is the color sheets for November. So please go check out Sabrina. Use the hashtag and see who else is doing it. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.